Alright, welcome back folks. We are in the D2L system, learning a little bit about how to create Dropbox assignments, turn it in, and grading rubrics. So we'll get started. And basically we want to go over here to the More section because we're going to hit that drop down and click on Course Admin to get our Dropbox assignments set up. Okay. After we do that, we're going to scroll down. We've got different tools and whatnot here. These are in alphabetical order for the most part at this point, but normally you scroll down and they're grouped into categories. But we are going to be looking here for the Dropbox. So I've got the Dropbox here. And to start with, we're going to look at this new folder button. And once we open that up, we'll go ahead and title it. So this is a new folder for us, and we are going to call it Leadership. Okay. And this is going to coordinate with the name of the assignment that we created earlier. Okay, so and this is Chapter 1, so we're going to keep with our theme here. So Leadership Chapter 1. Okay, and notice down here we have our grade out of, and it's currently stating that it's ungraded, but we're going to actually have it be worth some points. Okay, so once we are in there, did you notice it opened this up? And once we've got that, we're going to go ahead and click on it. Alright, and so we click on this and we go ahead and hit edit or link to existing. And here you're able to create and link it to a new grade item that we just created, right? We click on the change grade type and scheme, and it allows us to connect it to one of the categories. So we're going to connect one of our assignments to the category of leadership in this case. Okay. Go ahead and hit OK. And it normally would populate my points. It didn't. Alright, we do need to go ahead and put in a due date. We're going to put down the 28th. It will always default to just before midnight. That's a frustrating thing for students. You can always change that as well. Okay. Alright, you are able to type different things in the instructions. Over here on the right hand side, you can add availability dates and conditions, the submission completion and whatnot. And then down here, you do have the ability to do the evaluation and feedback, which does include the turn it in, which of course we know about that. Alright, the add a rubric here, we can look for our existing rubric and see if one of these works. There's our leadership rubric, and that's the one we're going to go ahead and connect it to. So now we have that rubric connected. And so now we're able to go ahead and hit save and close. Alright, and so our Dropbox folders now have everything we need, and we're ready to roll. Thanks!